Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Mexico 0 with Kilowatt Sierra, I believe, in a call. Mexico 0, come again?
Yeah, Mexico 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra. Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sugar. Long time no hear, Martin. You're coming through great. This is Simon over in Bradford in Yorkshire. 5x9 in the clear, Martin. K2 Tango Radio Delta. Happy New Year. Lovely to hear you. From Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra.
How you doing, Simon? Mike 0, Yankee Kilo Sierra, K2TRD. You're 5 and 8 right now, Simon. Coming across the pond there. Yeah, it's been a while. Happy New Year, my friend. Did Santa Claus bring you any new Christmas toys to play with on the radio there? New antennas, new radio, or anything, Simon? Over?
Not quite there, Martin, unfortunately, but I ain't complaining. Hi. I got some nice goodies, but yeah, I did actually get some new coax, some military spec coax, and I changed the feeder for the 80-meter dipole, and that seems to be working a little bit better for me. So I suppose in a way I did there, but yeah, it was a lovely holiday nevertheless, and it's great to hear you on there. I wonder if anything like that came your way, Martin. Back to you.
Well, we do have a new hex beam sitting here on the ground in the other room there, and still in the box. The MFJ 1848, which is the 6-meter through 40-meter hex beam, and that's going to get put up in the air in the springtime here. Way too cold to be out there playing in the snow, losing nut and bakes in the snow. I have to go out there with my metal detector to find everything, and I'll be freezing my fingers off. So we'll wait till springtime for that one there, Simon, there. But anyway, besides that, that's the only new toy that I got for Christmas, over.
Yeah, Roger, well that's a nice toy. I bet you can't wait to get that up in the air. Sounds great, Martin. I'm really pleased to bits for you, and look forward to seeing what the difference in antenna's going to make. See how much you boom through even more. If it is possible, you're probably the best signal on the band, by the way. Just worked another guy earlier from stateside, but you're definitely a bit stronger, so you're really solid. 5.9, great signal. And I'm videoing the QSO, by the way, and I'm going to put it on YouTube later, so if you want to hear what you sound like in this shack, you can check out the YouTube channel. Just check out my QRZ and you'll find it. But I'll be uploading it shortly after the QSO. But absolutely great to hear you, and lovely to hear that you got yourself a super new antenna to play with. And a little bit jealous about the snow, because we used to get lots of snow this side, living on the Pennine mountain range here in Yorkshire. But the winters have been a bit mild over the past few years, and my two young daughters here, they've only experienced snow a couple of times, so we're keeping our fingers crossed in a daft kind of way that we get a little bit of snow, so we can have some fun out there sledging. But I know that in your side of the world it can be a little bit inconvenient because you get more than just a little bit. But yeah, glad to hear that your spirits are up, and I heard you saying something about getting some nice fire fired up earlier, so keep yourself warm, my friend, and like I say, doing a super job to my side today. K2TRD from M0YKS. Back to you, Martin.
M0YKS, K2TRD. Well, Simon, yeah, I have to put more wood on the fire, too. I've been down here for quite a while, so I got to definitely get up there and get some more wood on the fire also. I had somebody else there hold my frequency for me earlier there, my friend Patrick, and so I could go and let the dogs out, because I heard them get up. They didn't want to get up this morning. Only one went out. The other two, boy, they didn't want to move for nothing. They wanted to sleep in there. Can't blame them. It was nice and warm and toasty inside the house with the fire going, and they didn't want to go out there in the cold and the snow blowing around, so can't blame them there, Simon. But anyway, you're still sounding great coming across the pond, and it's always a pleasure. I'm going to pick up one more before we QRT over here, and I'll be looking for the YouTube video this afternoon once I get in from plowing there, because it's almost noontime here. And I got to get out there and get behind that old plow truck there and get the driveway all cleared off for tomorrow morning. so the mailmen and everybody could get up here up the driveway. If you look at my QSF page, my driveway is pretty much 80 meters long, and it goes right downhill, so it's a very treacherous driveway to get back up. Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra, K2TRD.
Yeah, K2TRD, absolutely cracking pictures, by the way. I've just scrolled down the page now, and I see you must have updated things, so I'm going to have a proper look after the QSO. Loving the first picture of the shack there, Martin. And yeah, no problem, my friend. Well, it's always a pleasure to catch you. One of my favourite guys to talk to that side, and you're always coming through with a superb signal and great sounding audio. So that setup's working super fine as usual, 100% reliable, and great to be able to test my equipment back to see how we're getting over your way. But yeah, you're 5.9 plus 10, and holding it there absolutely solid. I'm going to upload the video straight after this, so when you've done your business, you'll be able to check it out and see how you're sounding, but you're going to be happy. But yeah, we've been for a walk with the dogs over the moors. It was a little bit wet, but we've had a bit of a ground frost, so things were nice and icy, and it was a bit more fun walking about rather than slipping about. So catch you next time, and have a great week ahead, and thanks for the QSO as usual. So back to you, and see you next time when you catch when you're catching up some big DX on the band. K2TRD from M0YKS in Yorkshire, England, saying 73, and thanks very much. Bye bye now.
Simon, my friend, 73 players on this side. Mike 0, Yankee Kilowatt Sierra, K2TRD, 73s. And there was another. Okay, Mexico, India 0. Mexico, India 0. Victor, QSL. Mike India 0, Victor Bravo Hotel, K2TRD. I know we spoke many times before, Victor, so hopefully everything's okay up there in Northern Ireland. Minus 1 degree Celsius in upstate New York today, Victor. So how's the weather on your side? And I'll give you a single report on the next over since I moved the antenna slightly. Mike India 0, Victor Bravo Hotel, K2TRD, all rolling. Mike India 0, Victor Bravo Hotel, K2TRD. Well, Victor, you're peaking up to 5.9 here. The little QSP on the bands where you drop down to 5.5, 5.6 and back up to 5.9. But it is getting pretty late there. It's noontime here, so I know you're about 5 hours ahead of us, or 6 hours, 5 or 6 hours there. So it's pretty late in the evening time, getting dark on your side. And we got to get upstairs and get something to eat in our belly, do the fire there, and we got to go outside and plow some snow here. Get everything all done and get the plow off the truck for tomorrow to go back and forth to work, because we don't like driving with the plow on. It eats too much gasoline. Mike India 0, Victor Bravo Hotel, K2TRD, over.
Yeah, K2TRD, Martin over there stateside, and M0YKS. Simon, that's myself, saying thanks for watching, catch you next time.